Good evening everyone, welcome back to Tita Ching Kitchen. Tonight guys, I am going to make the best chicken stir fry in town. Yan. So guys, but before that, bago ko ipapakilala guys ang ating mga ingredients, I just want to invite you to please subscribe to my channel kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe. Pero kung nakapag-subscribe na po kayo, maraming salamat po. Yan. So, don't forget to smash that notification bell para po kayo laging updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. So, guys, ito po ang ating mga ingredients. Napakadami. Mukhang napakadami, pero konti lang. So guys, I will show it to you now, one by one, my ingredients. So okay guys, we are divided into 3 parts, our ingredients here. So first, I will show you for the chicken marinating. So for the chicken marinating, of course, we have the chicken here. There we go. I will have as well a garlic powder. Yan. And onion powder. That's the onion powder, guys. Smoked paprika. There, smoked paprika. And corn flour. And we have as well a black pepper, and the salt. There we go, the salt. This all guys is for the marinating. Now guys, for the exact measurements, please check the description box below. I will put them all there guys para mas madali po. Okay, so that's the first that we're gonna do now for the marinating. So for the stir frying, ingredients for stir frying, we have all here. We got the bell pepper, 3 colors of bell pepper. That's the red. That's the yellow yellow. I got colorblind. Green bell pepper. Yellow bell pepper. I will put as well broccoli, carrots. There. I got the spring onions. A mixture of chillies. There, green and red. I'll have as well garlic, minced ginger, and onions. So there we go guys. For the third part, which is the slurry. For the slurry guys, we will be needing again dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. Light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. And may I remind you guys that you don't have to have all these ingredients. If you have them in your cupboards, fine. If not, you can just substitute. So I will be using as well oyster sauce. This is now for the slurry, guys. I will be using as well a sesame oil, a rice wine, sweet chili sauce. I'll be using a ketchup as well. If you don't have a sweet chili sauce, you can just use a sugar. Yeah, and if you don't have a sesame oil, that's fine. You can just leave it. If you don't have a rice wine, you can have a cooking wine, something like that. And I'll have as well a all-purpose savory powder. So, or chicken seasoning, that's fine. Kung anong meron. So guys, we will now start by marinating the chicken. Okay, so for marinating, of course, we will put the chicken first. There. Then put the garlic powder. There. Onions. Paprika. And the black pepper. And the salt. So all we have to do now is to mix them. And of course, don't forget about this now, corn flour. Okay, so right. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is to mix them. That's it. Make sure that they are mixed properly. Here we go. So right, just mix, it's all mixed. So what I'm gonna do is just to cover a cling film and then set aside. Okay. There we go. Okay, so next na gagawin natin na we mix is the slurry. Paghalo, we all mix together now, guys, all the ingredients for our slurry. So unahin natin ang dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. Again, guys, you don't have to do the same way that I'm doing. Kung wala kayong light soy sauce, pwede na kung dark soy sauce lang mayroon or the normal soy sauce that we're using. So, this is now the oyster sauce. We have to scrape it. Sayang. Okay. There. And next is the cooking wine. Kung wala kayong cooking wine, you can use cooking wine or vinegar will do. And sesame oil. Yan. Lagay na natin ang ketchup. And sweet chili. at saka itong corn flour. Yan. At ang ating chicken bouillon or chicken seasoning. Yan. And then, mix lang natin. Yan. If you want more sauce, guys, you can double up the measurements. If you want that your stir fry is saucy, or yeah, you know, mas madaming sauce, you can just double up the ingredients, the measurements of your ingredients. There we go. So just mix it. Like that. And then we'll just set aside. So what we're gonna do now is, the pan is now hot, so I'll just put a little bit of olive oil. You don't have to use an olive oil, guys. You can use any cooking oil that you prefer. Okay. Then put the marinade chicken. Okay, so we'll just leave that, and then we will then flip back para maluto naman yung kabilang side. Now it's already light brown. Yeah, so what I will gonna do is to transfer it in a bowl and set aside. Okay, so I'll just set aside, and we now start to do stir fry the vegetables. For the onions, I always put the onion first. Kasi ayokong masunog yung aking garlic. Kasi ang garlic pag nasunog, it tastes bitter. And you don't want that. For the onions, I always put the onion first. Kasi ayokong masunog yung aking garlic. Kasi ang garlic pag nasunog, it tastes bitter. And you don't want that. Isunod na natin ang bawang. Okay. Ating ginger. Okay, so now we're gonna put all the vegetables. This is stage, guys, you want your flame to be on high heat. Kasi so, ilagay na natin lahat. There we go. The reason why it's on high heat, kasi pagka mahina ang apoy, magtutubig yung mga gulay at hindi siya magiging crunchy. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is pour the slurry. There. Uh-oh. Okay. Then make sure that you will mix it nicely. There we go. So there we go, guys. I added a little bit of water kasi masyado siyang malapot to my liking. Yeah, so at saka para may sauce. Masarap pag may sauce. Ayan. So, ang gagawin ko, guys, ilagay na natin yung chicken and make sure that it all well coated. So, i-mix lang natin. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, so i-mix lang ng i-mix, guys. Hanggang maging coated na lahat yung chicken. Okay. And so I use a breast chicken, guys. Chicken breast. Or you can use another parts of the chicken as long as na walang buto at saka walang skin. Yan. Okay, yeah, guys. So there we go, guys. Our best stir-fry chicken in town. Yan. Stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Pakisabi na lang na wag na madala. Okay. So there we go, guys. Our stir-fry chicken with vegetables. And nice and crunchy. So, shoutout ko lang po ang aking mga members. Ayan, pasok na kayo, guys. Pasok na at kakain na tayo. Pasok na! UPS Rexy Vlog, Alni TV, at sa mga Alagas Teos Vlog, Bells Japan, Lucy Takuban, Crystal Wanderlust Diary, Shy Heart Explorer, Cecilia B. Ireland, Bianca Puppet, The Beef Channel, My Cusinera Pampanga, Christian Validor, Nurin Iway, Rudes Lagura, Kuya Parts, and Bam Bam Hermes. Please, guys, do connect to all my Alagas in Super Alagas. See you again tomorrow, guys. Keep